this up like that. Boom. Here we have our Joy-Cons, which are in the white. Here's the Switch itself. Move the packaging over. Let's see what else we have inside of here. So we have another cables, our charging, got our Joy-Con controllers. Pop this out, pop that out. Let's get it all out here. Pop that bad boy open. Alright, pretty cool. So now we have a 7-inch OLED display on here, and one of the things I really like is this new kickstand that this thing has, because it's so much nicer that it's like the whole back of it, so it's going to stand up much nicer and give you much better angles than before. Also, another big change here is the docking station as well too. So we move that, the TV dock rather. There we go. It's got that black and white aesthetic, which is pretty cool. But what I like here is we pop this open, you'll see that inside there is now a built-in Ethernet port right inside of there, which is pretty cool. I've done the USB ones that you can use USB Type-C for, but now you don't even need that. You can just plug this right in. It's going to be great for online gaming and such like that to get much better, much more consistent connections, which is a nice thing. And also noticed here, this isn't sort of the swing door that it used to be. It just kind of just pops right off. Just like that. More rounded corners, just a little bit different. And we'll do a comparisons in later videos between all these. Pull out our Joy-Con controllers. Pretty nice, pretty slick. Alright. We also have the grips right here as well too, the wrist straps here as well. Slide right there on top. Boom. Alright. We also have the full Joy-Con controller adapter right there as well too. We have our HDMI cable that comes with it as well. Full USB Type-C adapter for powering and charging and stuff. You can plug into the dock, plug it right in if you want to. Two. Very good look. I like that. That black and white. This deck just looks really good. Alright. This feels really nice in the hand. I like this texture here on the back. Obviously this kickstand is great. Folds all the way up. You have your micro SD card slot right there as well too. Love that. Pop. Game card slot, headphone jack, the volume rockers right here, got the power button right there, USB Type-C at the bottom. We have some new speakers as well too that push out much better audio kind of right here at the bottom as well too. We're really interested in hearing how those are.